nieces and nephews, welcome back to Auntie No's Kitchen. And to my new nieces and nephews, welcome to the family. Now let's all play nice cousins. Okay, let's get my housekeeping out the way first. Thank you guys for all your love and support to my channel. But if you do owe Auntie a favor, hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And you know, I don't care if you share. It's not that deep for me. Okay? So today, you know, Caitlin had made, with Auntie supervising, of course, the lemon chicken, and a lot of you have said how good it looks. So I have decided to make it for you, so you too can make this at home for your family or friends. And you know, like I sometimes say, what? Keep it to yourself. So we're gonna do a flip and a swim and show you everything you need and what you can do to make Auntie's lemon chicken. Okay, hold on. And first, what you're going to do, I have split 3 chicken breasts, and they have been marinated overnight. What I did, I have squeezed the juice of 2 fresh lemons. I've added a tablespoon of oregano, a tablespoon of thyme, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste according to what you like. And I've added a tablespoon of lemon pepper seasoning. And again, this has been marinated overnight, so I'm going to put some oil in this pan and get it all nice and hot. And you're going to need 2 cups of chicken broth. So I'm going to get my fire going. And I'll be right back when this pan gets hot. And you guys, you know I never marinate anything in bowl. I like using the bags and twist them really tight. And so all that goodness just soaks up everything and everywhere. Oh, you must use fresh lemons, guys. Don't use the bottled lemon juice. I use the bottled lemon juice in a lot of things, but certain things you have to have a fresh lemon. So I use this. When I do this, I use fresh lemon. And there were no leftovers, guys. No leftovers. I made a boo-boo. I used the wrong oil. I meant to use this. The olive oil, fry oil. I used the wrong oil, so I have to start all over with my oil in my heated pan. Yeah, I made a boo-boo. And what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to take some butter and put that in there. It's going to be 4 tablespoons of butter. I was looking at them like, that oil don't look the color. Then I realized I used the wrong oil. And I'm going to cut off 4 tablespoons of butter. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to be pairing this with a garlic butter pasta. I'm going to be using some angel hair pasta that I really want to get rid of, because we don't eat angel hair really. I just bought it because that's what the hubby likes. He likes angel hair. And I was going through my pasta and I said, oh, let me go on and cook this up. Don't worry, guys. It's still good. And this is getting really, really hot. That butter is going to infuse. I don't want to scratch up my beautiful pan. Okay. Now, I have on a glove, so I am good to go with that. I'm going to get now we know, you know, with these split chicken breasts, I always like to put my pretty side down first. Turn this down because I don't need it up high like that. I just need it to melt the butter and oil. I always put my pretty side down first. That's what I told Caitlin. Put your pretty side down first. So that's mainly where a lot of your goodness is. It's on the pretty side. I use 6 chicken breasts. I mean 4. I use 2. Okay. Thought I had 6 in here. So take this off for a little housekeeping. Now, since I'm using, if you're using 4 chicken breasts, use 1 fresh squeezed lemon, not 2. But the seasonings remain the same. Keep your seasoning, your thyme, your oregano, and your lemon pepper. Keep that the same. Keep those what I originally said. But for your fresh squeezed lemon, 4 chicken breasts, use 1 lemon. You do 6, use 2 lemons. Again, no lemon juice from the jar. So I'm gonna cover this and let this cook on, let this evenly cook, and then we're gonna add a cup and a half of chicken broth. Since we're using 4, we're gonna use a cup and a half of chicken broth. Okay, I'm gonna turn these over. They smell really good. Now, I don't need to let these sear on this side. I'm going to go ahead and get my chicken broth. Yum, yum, yum. I'm using a cup and a half of the chicken stock. Now, the difference between broth and stock is that stock is more concentrated. It has more flavor than broth. Broth is what I'm drinking all day today because I have my surgical procedure in the morning. I'm so sick of broth and freaking tea. I take some tea, then I drink some broth. Take some tea, drink some broth. I'm so sick of it right now. Oh, this go to my pasta. And I'm gonna cover this up and just let this just evaporate down, and then we're gonna work on our pasta. Sound like Lion King, don't it? Mufasa, pasta, Mufasa, Simba, Mufasa. All right. Okay, stop playing. Okay, chicken and all that goodness has evaporated down. Let's see what we're working with. Look at that. That looks really good. We got our sears. And so what I like to do, garnish it with some lemon slices. But what I like to get that little piece right there. What I like to do with the garnish, I like to throw my lemons in and get some of this goodness on top of my lemons. I like to swirl my lemons around in this a little bit, get some of that goodness. That's just something I like to do. Then I take my lemons out. Make sure you take the seeds out of your lemon slices. And make sure they're not thick slices. They need to be thin. Give the lemons a little color on them. It's not necessary that you have to do both sides like that. Just one side is fine. You just want to add a little color to them. And we're going to turn this off, and we're going to get our pasta together. Now I'm going to put some olive oil in here. Same kind of olive oil I'm using. This is good for sauteing as well. And this time I'm going to add, what did I do with my butter? This is our garlic butter pasta, but you can't have garlic butter pasta without butter. Okay, this is a half a stick of butter, and now I'm going to add that's about a teaspoon and a half of garlic, a little bit more, because this is garlic butter pasta. And I'm going to stir this until it's fragrant. And I don't want my butter burning, so I'm going to make sure I turn it down low. And as you see, it's popping like popcorn. It'll be okay once the so it becomes fragrant. Now, I'm going to take some of my pasta. I'm using the angel hair pasta, and I have a lot of pasta because I'm going to be cooking another dish that's going to require pasta. And this pasta is hot. It's okay, I'm making a mess over here. I'm going to be tossing this around in here. And you put a little pepper in here to your taste. And what you're going to do is add a little water. And we're going to add some dried parsley. Because I don't have any fresh parsley because I don't buy it. Because I don't use it enough to buy fresh parsley. And I add a little more. Doesn't have quite enough color for me. And I'm going to add some sun-dried tomatoes in here. And these are what I'm going to be using right here. Oh, I need to get another jar. Let me get another jar. That is fire. I didn't even know that was in there. Hold on. The peppers. That's what I meant. So I'm going to throw some of these roasted peppers in here for some more flavor and color. They're just pepper strips. I like the flavor of them. Pour some in a bowl. Yeah, Kayla said it needed more garlic. So I added more garlic to it. So that was a difference. And I added a little more black pepper. So that did make a difference. I added more garlic so I could taste the garlic because I'm really NPO, so I had to taste it, spit it out, couldn't swallow it. Well, here we are. We have our garlic butter pasta with our lemon chicken breast. Like I said, it's the holiday season coming upon, so if you want to, you can throw some green peppers in or some spinach. You can throw any veggie you want to, and you can put some Parmesan cheese on here. You grate some freshly grated Parmesan cheese on here if you want to. Thank you guys for hanging out and watching me make this dish. Yes, I really want to eat some, but I did taste it. I let Caitlin taste it. She said it needed more garlic. I added more garlic. I tasted it, but I couldn't swallow it because I'm telling you, you guys know why. But anyway, thank you so much. Until the next upload, go be you, but be great being you. I will see you later. Tight hugs and kisses to each of you. Love you guys. Bye. Oh, and thank you for all your support. I really, truly appreciate it.